Hello my guys, welcome to another episode. In this episode I have this 2017 Chevy Impala. Simple installation we do in headlights. I'm gonna use this AutoOne LED headlights and this is 9005. That's what this car needs, 9005 for the high and low beam, which is only one bulb, but it shares the high and low beam only with one bulb, and it's super simple installation. So this is the AutoOne LEDs. These ones are super bright, and I go with these ones on this Chevy Impala because these LEDs, they're just like the regular bulbs. Compact design. It doesn't have the big fan on the back because this Chevy Impala has the little covers on the back of the headlights. That's why we're using this, and it's super bright and super sleek. So it's pretty much the same as the regular bulb. If we compare both bulbs, you can see it's pretty much the same design, and because we have those covers, this is gonna be just a plug and play. This is the passenger side. This is the little cover. You just gotta twist it so we can open it. Same thing with the bulb, just twist it and pull it out. We put in the new LED, connect it. Once you put it on, just twist it to your right so you can lock it in place. And that's probably you can't see that right there clearly, but that's the bulb inside. We just gotta put the cover and it's nothing on the way. That's why I choose to go with these ones, because if you have the big ones with the fan, this is not gonna work. We have to make a hole on the covers, and if we make the hole on the cover, pretty much water and dust can go inside the headlight, so we don't want that. So let me put this cover and then we do the comparison between the regular and this LED. Yeah, it looks more elegant, white. It looks better than the regular halogen bulb. Look at that, it looks amazing. And visibility is gonna improve. New LED, regular halogen bulb. Now if we do the high beams, much brighter. Now to do the driver's side, we have the reservoir for the windshield washer fluid. We gotta pull the top. Okay, we remove the top by just pulling it. Then we have access to the cover. We twist it, we can pull it out. Remove the regular bulb. Connect the new one. Now the new one is in place. If you see there, make sure that the connection is facing down, because if it doesn't, the LED chips, they're gonna be facing other ways, so they have to face in on the sides. Now we have the installation ready. We put the cover. Once the cover is in place, we just put the top of the reservoir in place, push it down, locks in place, and we're ready. Now let's take the car outside so we can see at night how it looks. A lot better. Now this is super bright, and my friend, because she always drive at night, she's gonna have better visibility, definitely. So this is the new installation. This is just a little present for my friend, because actually these AutoOne LEDs, they were mine, because instead of going with something like this that has the cable and the big fan, probably this one it's not gonna fit right with the covers on the back of the headlight. The AutoOne is much better designed for this type of vehicle. So there you have it, guys, another easy installation, but this is gonna change everything for her because now she can see at night with these LEDs. Link is gonna be in the description, and that's it for this episode, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.